Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Netflix profile just with your phone. Just use your phone. So it's very easy. Maybe you have a kids profile or too much profile on your account. So in order to delete it, it's very easy. Just open the Netflix, tap on your profile picture, and here you can tap three stripe at the top of your screen and manage profile here. So you can tap one of your the profile that you want to delete, and here we go. This is the kids profile that I want to delete. Just tap delete profile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.